Hi everyone, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to present the drug Actea rasemosa. Introduction. Dr. Hughes describes Actea rasemosa as a homeopathic milk for allopathic babies, which means just like how milk is used universally for the nourishment of babies, just like that, allopaths were prescribing Actea rasemosa as the universal remedy for women's complaint. The common names of this drug are black cohosh, Simicifuga and Simicifuga rasemosa. The prover of this drug is Dr. Jeans. It is from the family Ranunculaceae. Some other important drugs from Ranunculaceae family are Aconite, Pulsatilla, Helleborus niger, etc. The temperament is hysterical. Dermals, chilly patient. Here we have rheumatic and gouty diathesis. And the miasm is Sora. While coming to the sphere of action of this drug, Actea rasemosa mainly acts upon the cerebrospinal and muscular system as well as on uterus and ovaries, which are the female generative organs. Ailments are from anxiety, fright, repressed love, business failure, overexertion and childbearing. Let's come to mental generals first. There is a sensation of cloud enveloping her. Here, the cloud refers to mental darkness, confusion, emotional heaviness, and there is a feeling of shut off from the outside world. There is great depression with dreams of impending evil, which is also seen in Calcarea carp. Fears riding in a closed carriage of being too oblique to jump out. In this drug, the claustrophobia is also seen, which means the fear of closed spaces, which is also seen in cocculus and argentum nitricum. Delirium tremens tries to induce herself. Suicidal tendency is prevail in this drug. Some other remedies for suicidal tendency are aurum met, natrum self, nux vomica, belladonna, etc. Mania following disappearance of neuralgia. There is illusion of mouse running from under her chair, which is also seen in lac caninum and ethusa. You can see that in this picture. There is incessant talking, which refers to talking continuously, persistently, without interruption. There is purpural mania, thinks she is going crazy, which is also seen in syphilinum drug. Let's come to head symptoms. There is wild feeling in the brain, shooting and throbbing pains in the head after mental worry, overstudy, or as a reflex of uterine diseases. There is waving sensation or sensation of opening and shutting in brain. Brain feels too large as shown in the picture. Ears are sensitive to little noise. Eyes. Asthenopia associated with pelvic troubles. Asthenopia means eye strain or visual fatigue. There is deep-seated throbbing and shooting pains in eyes with photophobia from artificial light. Here the patient cannot tolerate the artificial light. There is intense aching of eyeball, pains from eyes to top of head. Female symptoms. Menses are profuse, dark, coagulated with offensive backache, nervousness, etc. Menses are always irregular and suppressed from cold and fever. The most characteristic feature is more the flow, there is more the pain. With menses, there may be also chorea, hysteria or mania, and in case of mental symptoms, they are aggravated with the periods flow. There is ovarian neuralgia, pain across the pelvis from hip to hip. Pain in ovarian region shoots upward and down anterior surface of the thighs. Facial blemishes in young women is well marked here. Facial blemishes refers to the spots or pigmentation or marks whatever on the skin. It is indicated for after pains with great sensitiveness and intolerance to pain. Inframammary pains worse from the left side. Inframammary pains refers to the pains under the mammae or breasts. which is also seen in Ustelago drug. While coming to the pregnancy and labor, there is nausea, sleeplessness, false labor-like pains, sharp pain across abdomen. It is indicated for the abortion at 3rd month. During labor, she shivers in first stage, convulsions from nervous excitement, which is aggravated by least noise. Actea rasemosa patients are very much sensitive to the least noise. When given during the last months of the pregnancy, it shortens the labor if symptoms correspond with the patient, which is also seen in colophyllum and pulsatilla drugs. While coming to the rheumatism and extremities, rheumatic pains in muscles of neck and back feel stiff and contracted. Pain sensitive from using arms in sewing, typewriting, piano playing, etc. This symptom is also seen in agaricus. So while coming to extremities, there is heaviness in lower extremities, uneasy, restless feeling in limbs, aching in limbs and muscular soreness after dancing, skating or violent muscular exertion is well marked. There are whole-over pains in the body. While coming to extremities, there are intense aching pains. Nervous system. Hysterical or epileptic spasms are seen. Reflex. They are the reflex of the uterine diseases, which are worse during menses, and chorea is aggravated by lying on left side. While coming to the sleep, there is sleeplessness. Brain irritation of children during dentition is well marked. Skin symptoms. Locally and internally for IV poisoning. It is used for locally and internally for the IV poisoning. IV is a plant which is very poisonous and which is very dangerous for the skin complaints. Like it produces skin irritation, skin pigmentation and skin blisters. While coming to the modalities, the aggravation is from morning, cold except for the headache. During menses, the more the profuse the flow, the greater the suffering will be there. Emulation, warmth and eating. Please go through the mnemonics. Thank you everyone.